Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome in APSEC's online support program. This is English Language of Week 15 OSP Round 3. Textbook is Cambridge Global English Learner Book, page number 80 to 83 and 64 to 66. Unit 6, Topic Myths and Fables. Resources required: Learner Book, Activity Book, Notebook. Introduction and summary of the lesson. Unit 6, Myths and Fables. Here is the introduction. Comprehension. We know the reading strategies. Page number 66, Activity Book. Conjunctions. Page number 81, Learner Books. And page number 65, Activity Book. Thought of the day. Think 100 times before you take a decision. But once a decision is taken, stand by it as a man. It means that we should think before taking a decision. But once a decision is taken, be stick with it. Here are the learning objectives. First of all, define the terms myths and fables. Talk about mythical creatures. Read fable short story, discuss reading strategy and answer the questions. Revise the concept of conjunctions and attempt exercises. Warm up. What is a myth? Do you know any myths? What is a fable? Have you ever read any fable? What is a myth? The word myth comes from the Greek word mythos, meaning legend or story. It means myths means is a story. Myths often have fantasy animals as their main characters. I hope you have heard and read the story of Loch Ness Monster, Abominable Snowman, the unicorns, Medusa. These are mythical creatures. Now we know what is fable. Fables is short stories that teach a lesson or moral. The main characters are usually animals. It is a short story and the characters are mostly animals. Here are the names of different fables. Name: the crow and the jar, the wolf and the house dog, the fox and the crow, the country mouse and the city mouse, the maid and the milkmaid. These are the fables and the characters are animals. Comprehension, reading strategy. Whenever we attempt any comprehension, we should know the reading strategy. Find specific information in a text. Use the strategies to read the text below. Think about what you want to find out before you read a text. It means before a reading passage, we should read questions. Scan for keywords in a text. It means we should find the keywords that and then we should use dictionary to check the meaning of the difficult words. Here is a written work. Open activity page number 66 and 67 and do exercise 2 and 3. Here are the questions. First read the questions, then just go through the passage, read it and then attempt the attempt these questions. What are the questions? Why did the ant go to the river? How did the dove help the ant? What did the hunter want to do? What did the ant help the dove? And the last question is, what is the fable about? Circle the correct answer below. Being responsible, being kind, being honest. Conjunctions. I hope you know about the conjunction you have done in previous classes. Conjunction. Conjunction is a joining word. It means it's join the two sentence, or it's join the two words, or it's join the two phrases or clauses and make a long sentence. What are the conjunctions? There are so many conjunctions. And, but, when, if, where, cause. Here are some examples. Nate is a fast but unmotivated horse. Example number 2. He eats apples and grass. Example number 3. We will win the race or he will give up quickly. Here is a written work. Do exercise 6 given on page number 81 in the notebook and exercise 3 in the activity book. Thank you.